All right, guys, just another fantastic day of trading today. In this video, we're going to take a look at the Dow futures, what I like to call the Dow eminis, and I'm going to show you how to take this bullshit chart right here that most retail traders were probably trading today, and with one click of your mouse, redisplay the chart to look like this. All right, so let's go ahead and fire this up. Alright, what's up guys? It's Mark here with you. I'll be honest with you guys, okay? I have been trying to just limit my trading to a max of 3 to 4 hours a day. I keep these giant stacks of sheets, of Excel spreadsheets, okay, of statistical analysis, because I am obsessive compulsive about doing my back testing anytime I look at an instrument. And when it comes to futures trading, guys, I'm telling you, I'm looking at my 90-day sheets, I'm looking at my 120-day sheets, I'm looking at my 6-month sheets. Consistently, okay, when you separate every block of 30 days, right? So when you separate every block of 30 trading days, more often than not, the best trading signals happen in the morning session. There's no two ways about it, you know? And in fact, just take a look at almost every video on my channel. You're going to see that the best fucking signals happen between 8 o'clock in the morning and about 11:45 a.m. Chicago time. Okay? That's it. 3.5 hours, 4 hours max. And I can tell you that I've met plenty of people who just trade round the clock. You know, these people that claim to trade 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours a day. And I just don't know how you can have the stamina for that. Right? Trading's fucking exhausting. And even a day like today, right? I mean, look at this shit that happened very, very early in the session. Right? This right here is chop. You got fucking chopped around in the first few minutes. There's no way to get around that. Right? That, guys, is part of being a fucking day trader. If you think you're not going to deal with chop, if you think that every day you're going to come in and try to make $10,000 a day, you're just fucking insane. You know, I always talk about trading what's in front of you, not what you wish was in front of you. Okay? You got to come to work every day and assume that it's going to be a trend day. And if it's a chop day, well, you're going to get stopped out, and that's no big deal, right? As a trader, you should be able to handle being stopped out, because that is how you know you're doing something right, when you get stopped out. You know? So you basically had one long, one short, one long, and one short. And the first three fucking sucked, right? There's no way to get around that. But guys, you've heard me say this before. You got to take every single trade. You got to also make sure that you do the other things correctly, right? Be selective. Cherry pick your trades. If you don't like anything more than a 10-tick stop, don't take the fucking trade, right? Don't rush into it. Let the market come to you. Anyway, I've seen days like this all the time, guys. At this point, I'm starting to realize that 3 to 4 hours a day is legitimately all you need for futures, right? For trading stocks and trading Forex, those hours are going to be a little different, but, you know, my opinion is that the futures markets is the best fucking markets in the world. You're not subject to the pattern day trader rule like you would be with stocks. The moves are way better in futures than they are with Forex. So it's just like futures trading has so many advantages compared to other markets. But the focus on this short video is really to highlight the fact that you do not need to spend an entire 8-hour, 10-hour day trading, okay? My opinion, and keep in mind this is my opinion, you should just focus on the morning session, 8 o'clock a.m. Chicago time, through lunch, and you'll be good. And I think if you committed to that plan for like 90 days, okay? Don't measure your results over a week or 2 weeks. 90 fucking days. Commit to it. Come to work prepared every single day. You've heard the saying before, right? Chance favors the prepared trader. Today was a classic example of that, where the retail traders were trading a bunch of bullshit like this, a bunch of false breakouts, long here, then they tried to short it here, then they tried to went long here, and they probably just fucking gave up, right? Whereas the professional trader and the patient trader, well, guess what? He took his stops 1, 2, 3 times. And then that fourth trade, massive winner, right? Guys, this is how you find success at trading. I wish I could tell you there's another way. I wish I could sit here and tell you, hey, turn on your computer at 8 o'clock in the morning, make $10,000 and go to bed. There are no shortcuts. But I can tell you that chance favors the prepared trader. Okay? Try to limit your trading to just the morning session. Keep your stops real fucking tight. And of course, always, always, always let your winners run. I can almost guarantee if you follow those 3 steps, you're going to see an immediate impact in your trading on day 1. Okay? Anyway, guys, so I wanted to show you an example of chop versus trend. If you'd like to share your experiences on how you personally trade chop versus trend markets, of course, I'd love to hear from you. By all means, feel free to drop your comments in the comment section below, and I'm happy to respond. Guys, thanks for watching this video. Always remember to plan your trade and trade your plan. Hope you had a great trading day today. See you on the next trade.